Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Nadia Kashif, your SST teacher. Today is our third lecture of chapter 5 of history book. The topic that we are going to discuss today is architecture of Delhi kings. Delhi kings took special steps to improve the art of construction in the subcontinent. Buildings were made vast and spacious under Islamic architecture. The Muslims adopted the method to make strong arches and domes in their buildings. Best examples of Islamic architecture of that time are Toghlaq Fort, Begumpuri Mosque, Qutub Minar. The Delhi kings promoted fine arts. Music, engraving, and calligraphy made a great progress in that period. Amir Khusro is responsible for the great progress in music in that time. He provided a better environment to music through Qawwali. He invented new tunes by harmonizing the Persian and Hindi music. Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq took a great interest in music. The art of calligraphy. The art of calligraphy had been close connected with Islamic culture. The Muslim calligraphers have written Quranic verses and traditions of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in usual form of Arabic script, Khat-e-Naskh, plain round Persian writing, Khat-e-Nastalhiq, and other scripts with great devotion and skill. Government system of Delhi Kingdom. Central system. Delhi kings provided a developed government system to India. The Sultan kept military and judicial affairs under their control, and general departments were monitored by government officers. The following ministries performed the affairs of the central government. Diwan-e-Wazarat. This department kept accounts of income, expenses, and worked under a minister. Diwan-e-Risalat. Diwan-e-Risalat accomplished religious affairs. Diwan-e-Adl. It was the Department of Justice. Diwan-e-Arz. This department managed military affairs. Diwan-e-Insha. Correspondence was the responsibility of this department. Postal department was responsible for sending mails. Wakildar. He also managed the management and royal food for royal palace. Amir Hajib. Amir Hajib was the supreme officer of the court who managed all the ceremonies. Sire-Jahandar, bodyguard squadron of Delhi kings, was called Sire-Jahandar. Provincial system. Delhi kings arranged the following pattern to run the management of the provinces. Regions. Delhi kings have divided the kingdom into different regions. Governors were the head of the main region. Sahib-e-Diwan. Sahib-e-Diwan monitored the financial affairs in the province. Qazi. The supervisor of judiciary department in a province was called Qazi. Sahib-e-Bard was the head of mail and spying department. Sadar Suba. Sadar Suba was the supervisor of religious affairs in a province. Muhassil. The basic responsibility of Muhassil was to receive taxes. Shikdar. The head of district was called Shikdar. Chaudhry. The head of 100 villages was called a Chaudhry. Muqaddam. The head of village was called Muqaddam. Kotwal. Kotwal maintained safety and peace, and he was the chief of the police. Now your exercise questions. Short question number 3. Who laid the foundation of Qutub Minar? Question number 4. Who wrote Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi? Question number 5. What job did Kotwal perform? Detailed questions. Question number 3. Write a note on Muslim architecture. Question number 4. Explain the central system of Delhi kings. Question number 5. What steps did Delhi kings take for the promotion of education?